Dice Tower, reviews, Here Comes the Dog. As described on the box, the fate of man and dog rests on the fire. In a distant past, when man and dog had first encountered, villagers took rest around the bonfire cooking freshly hunted beasts, whilst hungry dogs surrounded them, waiting for a chance to scavenge on the remains of their feast. Will you be able to domesticate them, or dare let the fire out? This game also includes a variant game called Dancing Villager of quick judgment and speed, which you can find the instructions for in the box. Finding a game that everyone can enjoy is extremely tough, but itten's Here Comes the Dog might have you covered. The premise of this game is simple: tame as many wild dogs as possible. Everyone loves dogs, so it's a perfect game for everyone, as the rules are easy to follow and it looks so cool. The box provides instructions in English and Japanese. Each game lasts between 30 to 45 minutes, with 2 to 4 players. It has 5 rounds, in which you'll either play all the way through or until someone has lost all 3 of their villagers. Every player has 3 villagers, which denote their lives, and each turn consists of a roll to denote the action or trade of resources. You have 3 colours to roll, and you often get a choice of which one you want: fire, charcoal, and meat. Other options to do during your turn is to exchange your resources. An example would be 1 charcoal for 1 meat, etc. An end goal is to tame as many wild dogs as possible. The round ends when all of the meat has gone from the fire, or all the charcoal has gone from the fire as well. If all the meat is gone, then a feed event begins. Every 2 meat you acquire, you can tame 1 dog. The dog equals a victory point. Rolling 3 of the same colours creates an event, such as feed, assault, or return resources, but rolling different colours enables the player to pick up 2 sticks of the colours rolled. If all the charcoal is removed, it's assault, in which the wild dogs attack the villagers. Every meat is the amount you'll be attacked. You can fend off the dog by cashing in 2 meat resources, or 1 fire and 1 charcoal. If you can't fend them off, then you'll lose a villager. There are 4 special events if you roll triples or 1 of the same colour. 3 meat rolls means a feed event, 3 charcoal rolls mean an assault, 3 fire means everybody returns resources, and if you have more than 3 fire, then you will lose a villager. 1 of each colour equals a theft event. You can steal from 1 player. You don't need a huge amount of knowledge of board games for this pick up and play. The game redefines what you can put inside a tiny box, that it can still be compelling and lots of fun. It's original whilst not being overly complicated, showing off itten's unique style of a quirky game compacted in an accessible box. It's a wonderful introduction for any novice, or a great filler for a board game night. Whilst it's not a complex survival game, it has charm and ingenuity unlike any other.